cage jumps so high and bright, lives a tiny yellow bird glowing like the light, with big blue eyes and feathers soft, a voice so sweet and true. Tweety sings a melody beneath the sky so blue. Oh, Tweety, Tweety, flying free, singing songs so happily, dodging trouble oh so sly, spreading joy up in the sky. That naughty cat is on the prowl, sneaking left and right, but Tweety's clever, fast and sharp, always takes to flight. I taught, putty-tat, oh what a sight to see, outsmarting Sylvester, giggling wild and free. Oh, Tweety, Tweety, flying free, singing songs so happily, dodging trouble oh so sly, spreading joy up in the sky. No cage can hold that spirit bright, no chase can steal its spark. Tweety shines like golden light, even in the dark. Through the garden, through the trees, a feathered ball of cheer, bringing smiles to everyone, spreading love and cheer. With a little tilt of head and a twinkle in the eye, Tweety sings a lullaby beneath the moonlit sky. Oh, Tweety, Tweety, never blue, singing songs so happy,